everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Raul Markan and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys we're gonna make a cheese platter and three types of cheese we will use: brie cheese, emmental cheese and gouda cheese. And then as per the support we will give to the guest fresh honey and salted cookies and dates and apricots. So let's start. So guys, first of all we will keep on the plate this emmental cheese and we will arrange it nicely. Then we will give as well as this gouda cheese and again we will arrange it properly as per the five-star hotel. Then we will arrange it nicely and now we will give to the brie cheese. So I told you already guys, three types of cheese we will keep on the plate as per the a la carte order. So we will keep this brie cheese as well as and we will arrange it. Okay, so now we will I will start with the dates. So you can see it's a huge date, so we will give this one as well as both side we will keep. Okay, so it's continuously we will keep and now it's sufficient. So guys, we will give as well as the salted cookies. So I have to open this one, so I will keep this one on the plate. So here we go, our salted cookies as well as arranged. So now it's time to give the honey. So you can see this bottle of honey we will use for the cheese, our cheese platter. So right now it's a little bit sticky, so it's fine now. So we can give this one as well as. So here we go, our cheese platter has been done. So thank you very much for watch of my video.